I rebuilt my printer again. Now the moving system, minus the flying gantry, weighs 240 grams down from 298. Carbon reinforced. And the head is swappable because I want to play with tool changing later. Well, right now, just getting started. Still need to calibrate everything, but actually it was very close to calibrated already. So it's my first print. So, away we go.